what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail like this one. Like I always make them, y'all. They're very simple, but I'm going to teach y'all step by step how to make a thumbnail. So please like this up, y'all. That's all I'm asking for is y'all to like it up like a dynamite, y'all. Like it up. Alright, we'll show y'all right now how to make a thumbnail. I'll see you in a few minutes. So this, what you want to do is go to the camera. So let's go to the camera, tilt it and make a picture. What you want to do is take a picture of it like that. You want to take a picture of yourself or whatever you're using. Then you want to go to impose X. It's like $5, so it's very cheap. Next you want to go select the picture of yourself, right? Then you want to select that picture and you want to do, it don't matter if it's a thumbnail size.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you.
Now we're gonna adjust it. You can adjust it like you can make it sideways. We're just gonna make it straight. You can make it the way you want. And now we have to go make the color for the background. So I'm just gonna make it blue and green today for this thumbnail. Yes, you need to make it fit right there, and then you switch it over like that. And then you can do mask outline in the tools. Go all the way over the mask outline. Then you gotta adjust the thickness and the glow the way you want. This is the way I do it. I make it a little thick and a little bright. I suggest making it white. And then you just do the brightness. Don't make it look cooked. Make it middle. Adjust a little bit. Make it the way you want it to look like. If you have light on, it makes it pop out, y'all. And then all you do is save it to your photos. And then we go to Fonto. And then we put camp photos, albums. Don't ever use a filter. Now we're just going to make thumbnail. You can adjust it the way you want. You can make it as big as you want. You can tilt it. But we're going to play around with it real quick. I'm just playing around and see what fits, what looks good. And we always change the color. We're going to make it different colors to make it pop out from each other. So you can fit it, tilt it, play around with it. And also when you do the text and when you do the strike, you need probably do it always black to make it pop out. But make them different colors. If you mess up, you can erase it by going to the bottom, or you can do that and fix the text. You can always fix the text. And you can make it small, you can make it medium, you can fix it where it's close to each other. Make it look like you want to make it. Now we're just sizing it up, y'all, so we make it fit and make it look good for y'all to look. You make it eye appealing so they will click on it. They will think about it and they will click on it. You always need to make eye appealing. You can change the color, make it different colors, make it pop out. Always play around with it and see what fits you. Always rate from 5 to 10 what your thumbnail looks good. Well, that's how you make the thumbnail. And let me know how my thumbnail is. And you save it, and I'll see you in a few minutes on the camera. Well, yo, that's the quickest way to make a thumbnail. You can make it all the way you want to look at it. You can change it up. You want it the way you want it. You can look at it, design it. You can always edit it, make it brighter, adjust it the way y'all want to. I'm not showing y'all that you should do this, but like the way I did it. But make it your own style, y'all. I'm just showing y'all a few steps how to actually make a thumbnail. That's how I make my thumbnails, y'all. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you liked it, please smash the like button and also subscribe. I'll be thankful for that. And please turn your bell notifications so you won't miss a video like this. And please check out this video down here. Alright, see you in the next video, y'all.